Kitchens. This is Rose's Kitchen. Rose's Kitchen. This is Rose's Kitchen, yeah. This is Rose's Kitchen's day.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my last video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rosalind, aka Rosine's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys the easiest way to make shrimp spring rolls using these simple ingredients. So for this recipe, I'll be using shrimps, spring roll pastry lumpia wrapper, and it doesn't necessarily have to be this brand. You can get this wrapper from any Chinese store around you. It's usually in the freezer section. I got mine from Mahoa for those in the Houston area. So to season my shrimp, I'm going to be using paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, curry powder, thyme, and my chicken seasoning powder. Without wasting your time, let's dive right in.
Rose's Kitchen. This is Rose's Kitchen. Rose's Kitchen. This is Rose's Kitchen, yeah. Rose's Kitchen's day. This is Rose's Kitchen's day. Rose's Kitchen's day. This is Rose's Kitchen's day. Recipes, ecstasy, masterpiece. Got the juice, every bite, every sip. Spice so sweet, spice so sweet. Yeah. Rose's Kitchen's day. This is Rose's Kitchen's day. Rose's Kitchen's day. This is Rose's Kitchen's day. Flavorful, rich and cool, exquisite, yummy too, inviting, tastes so good, love it too, yeah, 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 yeah. Rose's Kitchen's day. This is Rose's Kitchen's day. Rose's Kitchen's day. This is Rose's Kitchen's day. Rose's Kitchen.